Okay, just wanted to show everyone that when you're creating an ISO of Ubuntu or pretty much any kind of ISO to like Rufus or anything, make sure that you put the ISO onto your desktop because it'll come up with drive letter, can't like unassignable, can't make drive letter and all that, and it'll just give you a headache. So that was just a real quick thing to do because any novice or heck, even anybody that's professional or anything like that can make any kind of errors. Errors could be made by anybody, but make sure it formats. Even if you don't format it, if you'll see down here, it'll do a quick format. Create it, and once it's done, I mean, you can name it anything like Linux, Ubuntu. I mean, Ubuntu is Linux, so once that's done, you see how fast it's going because I have it in my this bad boy right here. So once that's all done, you just pop it out and then obviously save it. So then you always have it to use when you go in and doing, let's say you're doing computer work for somebody or, just making an extra buck. It's always good to have backups of USBs of any kind of OS that you're doing. It's like if you have Windows and all that, but just want to definitely point this out for anybody that needed it and just to kind of add to the what we're doing now with the Chromebook and working on the Samsung.